Sup guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. So right now I'm just finishing off my breakfast. And then we are heading to a JDM car meet at Saxton's Field. So that should be pretty cool. Just sitting here on the balcony, I can already hear cars driving around because there's a car meet going on. It's not long until it starts actually. Just under half an hour.
Nice ass, G, nice ass.
Thanks, bro.
All good, brother.
Appreciate that, work hard on it. Already heaps of people here. Yeah.
Save the park viewer.
Get a close up of that.
Yeah, dude. They be barking, dude. They be barking.
That's pretty cool.
Luckily pursued.
So we have a stroller in.
Yeah, I probably should have brought it.
You should have. Fucking, I brought a Euro to a JDM car, mate. Doesn't matter, eh? Whatever, just fucking bring it.
Look at that.
Look,
Yeah, this one.
that sucks. I like this. That's mad.
So,
Personal plate, everything. Personal plate.
they're all delayed.
I hear rotary.
Wap,
wap, wap, wap. Not bad. That's badness. Wap, 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 wap. Hi.
You want to see the C63 AMG?
Yeah, I do. It's tidy. Factory runs. Factory runs. 2010. nice. Those exhaust tips are buzzy, eh?
What was that?
You the one with the C63 A?
Yeah, bro, is this yours?
Yeah.
Oh, nice car, brother. What's your name?
Somebody. You know Dion, eh?
Yeah,
I
bro.
work with him.
Oh, that's crack.
Yeah.
You know, I'm Zane, bro. Nice to meet you. How long you had it?
Well, about a year and a half now.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
Goes hard, eh?
Yeah, barely drove it. It's just my weekend car, so.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
Fucking oh.
It's a bit quieter than your C63 because it's a big sedan there.
And it's is it factory?
Yeah, everything's factory, untouched. The only thing that's missing is the diffuser.
Yeah, I noticed that. I thought that looked a bit buzzy. Sounds exactly the same. Sounds pretty good. Shot, bro. The E-Class interior is nice, eh?
Yeah.
Seeing both of these together next to each other.
A river locking.
No.
That's nice. Yeah, I'm keen as fuck. I haven't been for a swing in a while. I had to park next to the bro. Oh, the black one. No, that's tight. That's the consistency of it too, because when was the last one?
Like 5-6 months ago. So
Gives them an excuse to come in and fucking fuck that, that's it.
And that's another thing about doing that, it's hard to try catch up.
Yeah, I know.
I don't even like talk to the people that I'm with because it's just running. How's it going? Good?
So you can only talk to so many people at once, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's sick, eh? Six well.
Yeah, there was one.
Yeah. That is me.
It's hard to say.
Imagine if the same person built our engines.
Same names on the street.
Nah, different person.
yeah, different person.
Yeah,
Thomas, something
yeah, we'll go
Thomas.
back to-
Mike Thomas. And then Torsten Oslager.
See, my one doesn't want the custom play. You don't see it much. It's funny.
It's so buzzy seeing the exact same motor.
That is crazy.
Yeah, intake, everything's all the same.
Yeah.
It's intake, it's this logo.
Yeah.
And the back, yeah. It's a supercharged motor, but the intake is the logo.
That thing is flat. Yeah, well, that's crack off eh?
I don't know, like, with the wheel spinning, I was like, what is that? An old club.
Let him train the guy, you know, fucking
Yeah.
he's trying to jack it up and the airbag
Well, that's the same thing. When you put an airbag, it goes like, the wheel just go.
Yeah, you check fucking coming down.
That's crack up.
I was gonna get one of those stages.
Yeah, you know when you get it to that like limit.
That's just slab.
Doza mainly.
Up the Starlet. It's pretty cool because I met someone else that has the exact same engine, but C63 AMG.
Oh, it's all more.
It's just finishing up too. Yeah, brother. Good to see you too, brother. How are we?
Not too bad, eh? That's all right.
Rigor mortis.
G'day,
Big Joe. How are ya? There you go.
That's me. Up the Starlet. It's fucking V8, bro.
Yeah, bro.
It's a V8.
It is.
V8 horse. That's me. What's up, brother? How we doing?
Good, man. Yourself?
Yeah, good, brother, good. Yeah.
Hopefully you turn here, you can see the wheel turn.
Straight up. So, brother, have a good day, eh?
Surface that damn this soul. Old sucker ass nigga, go somewhere and fuck yourself. Cause ain't me and my nigga Wizard smoke a ounce of what's in it. Yeah, it's the planes and the can of gang.
Thanks for watching today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please leave a like and please comment and subscribe. It was a bit of a compulsive mission today, but it was fun. We just left and I just split up with the boys after going for a swim at this beautiful spot down the Wairoa Gorge. Little secret spot, beautiful swim, eh? But I just didn't get a chance to take the camera with me. I completely forgot.
about the camera. So yeah, bit of a short video today, but I'm sure it's still a good one. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Peace out.